In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung phone is randomly installing apps and games without your permissions. So this basically happens due to an app called App Cloud that comes pre-installed on Samsung Galaxy devices. So what this app does is track your app usage, see which apps you like, and then automatically install similar apps and games on your Galaxy phone. So to stop this, first open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here tap on this filter and sort icon and then turn on this show system apps toggle and then hit OK. Now simply tap on this search icon and then look for App Cloud. So this app comes pre-installed on most Samsung Galaxy phone. Simply tap on it. Note that you can't really uninstall the App Cloud app from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the only option is to turn off its notification and clear its storage data. Now here you will need to first tap on this force stop option and then tap on OK. Now go to notifications and then disable this allow notifications toggle. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and then tap on storage. Now tap the clear cache option and then tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Additionally, you should also go to the permissions section and then disallow any permissions that you see here. Once you have done this, the app will not install apps automatically unless you open it from the app drawer. Now another thing to keep in mind is that sometimes carriers also tend to install apps automatically via software updates. So to fix this, what you need to do is go to this about phone section. Now tap on software information. Now here tap the build number rapidly multiple times. So what this will do is enable the developer options menu. Once you have done this, simply head back to the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on developer option. Now here you will need to scroll down and turn off this auto update system option. So this will stop all the carrier updates that install automatically and hopefully solve your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.